Hi, welcome to an academy. So learners, this is the demo video on practice and analysis course. On this course we have 12 sessions, 6 quizzes and 6 analysis classes. Each quiz contains 50 questions and analysis class that will be of 2 hours. So learners, I think this will be a perfect plan for you. For more detail, stay tuned with the video. So learners, I think you have already watched a short video. I am A.K. Rasveer, your educator at an academy and on YouTube. Learners, on this course I am coming with you with practice and analysis classes. I have already qualified 2 times UGC NET in English. Having a great experience, having exam experience, I am going to share all these strategies and more important questions that will be helpful for your upcoming exam. So on this test series with analysis classes, what we are going to get? Learners, you are going to get both papers at one place. And for both papers, quiz classes and analysis classes. It may be paper 1 or it may be paper 2. So what we have in this particular series, test and with detailed analysis. So learners, we have 6 series. Learners, you can say 6 quizzes. I have already told 50 questions in each series. Then learners, if we have 6 test series, so it means having 300 questions equal to your 3 exams. Because your UGC NET exam contains 100 questions in paper second. Now learners, we have 12-hour detailed analysis classes. So these all 50 questions will be analyzed in detail in my detailed analysis classes. So on each Sunday, 10 p.m. you are going to attempt a quiz, and on next day, you can say learners, on Monday you are going to get a class of 2 hours. And this class will be really helpful because I am going to show you how to attempt questions. So what is the trick and what type the question is. So learners, this will be really a perfect plan for you. These test series and then learners analysis, so that will help you to prepare well for your upcoming exam. You may choose the plan 6, 3, 12, 24 month or 1 month plan. You have to use one referral code A.K. Rasveer for 10% discount, and then learners, after discount you can enjoy unlimited classes. We are going to provide you a complete study material, live classes, quizzes and doubt clearing session. Both the paper on one place. And learners, with my tricks, with my experience, I'm going to make everything clear and simpler. So learners, this will be a perfect plan. So do not wait for your exam. Just subscribe an Academy Plus, use referral code A.K. Rasveer and enjoy unlimited classes for both the papers. Thank you so much.